Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and a surprise video. Because the weather's nice and dry today, I thought I'd take Lucy out for a quick run. Hope you all have a nice Christmas and coming up to the new year. So we're just going to do a cold start on Lucy. Going to get out and give her a bit of a polish because she's looking a bit crap. And then just take a very quick run up to the home and back, just to give her a run. Hopefully she's going to start, so let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is open her bonnet. Like so. Then we're going to attach the negative first. Oh, shit. A little bit of drama there. The choke cable caught on the positive when I connected it, and there was like a little mini firework display throwing the living crap at me. So I've just gone and knocked on Ross's door, and he's just about to cable tie it away from it so we don't get a free firework display again. I thought for a minute then Lucy was going to go up in flames, so I had a bit of a lucky escape there. Well, it turns out that when I tried to connect the battery, it melted the choke cable. So now the choke cable is fused inside of the thing, so I can't use the choke. Russ has managed to sort it out so I can start it, but I need a new choke cable. So I didn't manage to do a cold start, unfortunately. I was going to give her a clean and then we're going to go out for a drive, so hang tight, I'll be back soon. I've literally just left the garage, come all the way out to Peveril. I wondered why the phone was timing out the screen rather. I had it on photo, so I've literally gone all this way without shooting any video. What a dumbass. So yeah, we're starting from now. So we're in Peveril at the moment. So I'm going to give her a nice razz down the A38, which has now been reduced to 60 mile an hour, which is ideal because that's Lucy's happy cruising speed. And then back to Buckland. See, obviously Russ has put the choke cable on. I think it's still running a little bit fast, but we'll sort that out once the choke cable's replaced, which I think is obviously where it got heated up. The metal and the cable are fused together, so it's quite tight. So we'll take it down the A38 for a little razz even. I had some feedback. I was saying earlier, but I didn't realise it was in photo mode, that I had one of the lads in work who watches the channel said on his TV that it was only a little small square, and it turned out the aspect ratio was wrong. So obviously this is just a test video, just make sure that I get that right. If you could give me feedback, drop that in the comments below, that'd be brilliant. That's probably one of my last video. It's already done 65 views and it's a road trip one, and they usually do really well. So I'm putting it down to the aspect ratio on the previous video was a bit crap. So we'll just see how this one pans out. you missed earlier, I was seeing the Moggy. I think it was a split screen, which I thought I was filming, but transpires it didn't because I was on photo mode. So we missed that. But yeah, they gave me a 2. I'm doing 60, and this is a 6-mile-an-hour limit now, so God knows what that Volvo is doing. That's right, you'll get a ticket. So I hope you like that little surprise run just down the A38 and back, just to give her a blast. Let me just sort me seatbelt out. Better. Oh, no, it's not. Yes, it is. Right. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that little video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll leave a playlist somewhere down here so you can check out my other videos. If you want to follow me on Facebook, she's got her own page, which is Mike's Rambles with Lucy the Morris Miner. Send me a request on that and I'll add you to that, and that will show you all the journeys and restorations she's had from the time I got her up till present. I'm on Instagram, VKT193J, where I post pictures from places I go to, etc. And obviously, if you want to follow the YouTube channel, it's Mike Rambles with Lucy the Morris Miner on there, so subscribe on that. So I'm just about to put her back to bed. So yeah, I'm going to put this out, see what the aspect ratio is like. If you could just let me know in the comments if it's okay or not, I appreciate your feedback. And have a nice new year. I know I'm going to. And I shall see you in 2026. Bye.